All right, here's 3 easy card tricks you can do that are self-working with a regular deck of cards. And I'll put links to the tutorials in the description of this video in order, okay? So the first one is gonna take our deck of cards, give it a shuffle, mix up the cards, and an interesting thing about a deck of cards is that if you remove one complete suit of cards, something very interesting happens. In this case, I'll remove all of the clubs from the deck. Okay? Give the cards a tap. Deal out 3 hands until we're all out of cards. And now, because we removed all of one suit, all the other cards get jealous and they want to go join their respective suits. You can do it with the diamonds, you can do it with the spades, and you can even do it with the hearts. And that's separating the suits, and that'll be separating the suits, the perfect bridge deal, and that'll be the first link in the description. Easy to do, self-working. You can learn all these today and perform them tonight. That's how easy they are. Okay, let's see if we've mixed up the cards enough that we're totally random, completely mixed up deck. Now, want the spectator to go ahead and pick a card. They have a free selection of any card that they want. They look at it. They don't show you. Put it back on top. I can give the cards a couple cuts, kind of mixing up the order of the deck again. And now I'm going to want to look at the spectator, and I'm going to be able to read their mind, okay? Now, I don't want them to tell me if they see their card as I go through the deck and turn cards over. I'm going to see if I can tell which card they've picked just by looking at them and reading their mind, okay? Now I think, and I'll bet the spectator $100 if I can do this. I'll bet them $100 if the next card I turn over is gonna be their card. And the spectator, 100% of the time, will take that bet, and then I'll just turn this card over. Was your card the Jack of Hearts? And that's the key card method, and that's the second link in the description. And now for the last, third and final trick for today. Gonna give the cards another shuffle. And then you can have the spectator select any card that they want out of the deck. You don't see what it is. I'm just gonna separate the cards into 3 separate piles. Spectator will look at their card, remember it, point to any pile that they want. Let's say they pointed to this one. I'll take these 2, flip them over, take their card, place it on top of this pile, and sandwich it in between the 2 face-up piles. Give the cards a shuffle, and in the magic industry, what we do is we call this a mess. So we have a completely mixed up deck of cards. I can just give them a wave and a tap, and I think I found their card. And that's how to find a card in a shuffled deck of cards, and that's the third and final link in the description. If you like these tricks, please let me know. If you want to learn them all, you can learn them all. Learn 1, learn 2. But like I said, they're all self-working and easy to do.